Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to solve Roblox game client has stopped working Windows. So, have you encountered a situation or problems like this? Roblox game client is not working. So, I'm going to show you how to fix this one. The very first thing to do here if you are logged into your account is you just have to simply go to the gear icon and then tap log out. So that's the very first thing. You should log out to your account. Second thing is after that you have to restart your computer, and then once you have restored your device or computer, go to the search icon here. Okay, tap this one, and then what you're going to do is to type Roblox. Okay. Now go to open file location and then right click. Show more options and look for properties. Now look for compatibility. Now here you have to make sure that you run this program in compatibility mode 4. If you're using Windows 7, you have to tap Windows 7. 8, you have to tap Windows 8. Here, please do check disable full screen and run this as administrator. Now, if you want to run compatibility troubleshooter, you can also do that, but that is optional. Then the next thing to do here is to go to the search icon and then type device manager. Now what you're going to do here is to simply update your PC driver. So go to display adapters and then update driver. Now tap this search automatically for drivers. Now if you have installed the latest version or the best device, then no need to worry about that. But if not, you need to update that. Okay, and then once done, you can exit this. So these are just a few methods on how to solve Roblox game client has stopped working Windows. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.